Look at this guy. Sharp, defined cheekbones that catch the light from every angle. The kind of facial structure that makes his entire face look chiseled, masculine, and expensive. The kind of cheekbones that turn an average face into a model face. Now look at most guys in the mirror. Flat, soft, no definition, just round cheeks with no shape underneath. Like the cheekbones don't even exist. Here's what most guys don't realize. You probably have cheekbones. Good ones. They're just buried under body fat, water retention, weak facial muscles, and bad habits that are hiding everything underneath. Cheekbones don't appear from nothing. They're already there. Your job is to uncover them. And once you do, your entire face changes. Your jawline becomes sharper. Your eyes look more defined. Your face goes from looking soft and forgettable to angular and attractive. The transformation is dramatic. This isn't about surgery. It's not about fillers. It's not about expensive treatments. It's about removing the layers that are hiding the structure your face already has. I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step, everything that actually works to bring your cheekbones to the surface. Save this video. Your face is about to look completely different. Let's go. Step 1. Drop your body fat. This is where everything starts. The number one reason your cheekbones aren't showing is body fat. Even a small amount of excess fat sits on top of your facial structure, covering your cheekbones, softening your jaw, and rounding your entire face. At 20% body fat, your cheekbones are completely hidden. Your face looks soft and undefined. Your bone structure is invisible underneath the layer of fat covering it. At 15% body fat, everything starts to surface. The shadow under your cheekbone appears. Your face looks more angular. The transformation begins. At 12 to 13% body fat, your cheekbones are fully visible, sharp, defined, catching light from every angle. This is the point where your face looks completely different from where you started. The fix? Get into a slight caloric deficit. High protein at every meal. Cut processed food. Be consistent for 60 to 90 days. You can do every other thing on this list perfectly, but if your body fat is too high, your cheekbones will stay buried no matter what. This is step 1 for a reason. Step 2. Cut water retention and face puffiness. Even at low body fat, your cheekbones can still hide behind water retention. When your face holds fluid, your cheek area looks swollen and soft. It pushes outward from underneath the skin and covers the natural hollow below the cheekbone, which is exactly the area you want visible to create that sculpted look. What causes face puffiness? Too much sodium from processed food, sauces, and takeout, sleeping on your side or stomach, late night meals, alcohol, not drinking enough water. The fix: cut processed food and excess sodium. Watch the difference within 48 hours. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Proper hydration actually flushes out excess sodium and reduces puffiness. Sleep on your back with your head slightly elevated. Fluid drains away from your face instead of pooling in it overnight. Do a 30-second lymph drainage massage every morning. Use your fingers to gently stroke from the center of your face outward toward your ears, then down the sides of your neck. You can sharpen your cheekbone area within days just by reducing water retention. Most guys are shocked at how much puffiness was hiding their face structure. Step 3. Train your buccinator muscles. This is the underrated step nobody talks about. The muscles in your cheeks, called the buccinator muscles, are completely underdeveloped in most men, and weak cheek muscles mean a soft, undefined cheek area. When you train these muscles, they tighten and tone the cheek region. This creates more definition around the cheekbone area. Your face naturally looks more sculpted and lifted. How to train them? The fish face exercise: suck your cheeks inward against your teeth like you're making a fish face. Hold for 10 seconds, release. Do 10 reps, twice per day. The smile and hold smile as wide as you can. Hold the tension in your cheeks for 10 seconds, release. 10 reps, twice per day. Mastic gum, a harder natural gum that engages your cheek muscles way more than regular gum. Chew for 15 minutes per session, 3 to 4 times per week. These exercises feel small, but they work. Give them 4 to 6 weeks of consistency, and your cheek area will look noticeably tighter and more sculpted. Step 4. Fix your tongue posture, mewing. Here's where mewing actually matters. When your tongue rests on the floor of your mouth, your maxilla, the bone that holds your cheekbones, drops downward over time. Your cheekbones angle downward and look flatter. When your tongue rests on the roof of your mouth, your maxilla is supported in the correct position. Your cheekbones sit higher and look more prominent. This isn't fast, it's not magic, but proper tongue posture maintained for months and years has visible effects on how your cheekbones appear. How to do it? Place your entire tongue against the roof of your mouth, not just the tip, the entire tongue. Lips closed, teeth lightly touching. Make it your resting position. Every time you catch your tongue at the bottom of your mouth, move it back to the roof. Free. Takes zero time. Works in the background while you do everything else. Worth doing. Step 5. Build your neck and submandibular area. Your cheekbones don't exist in isolation. They're part of a larger structure that includes your neck and jaw area. When the area under your jaw, the submandibular region, is weak and soft, your cheekbones lose their visual impact. Your face looks heavier from the bottom. The cheekbones above get less attention because the entire lower face is competing with them for visual mass. When your neck is developed and your submandibular area is tight, the visual focus shifts upward. Your cheekbones suddenly stand out more because the lower face is sharp and supportive. The fix: neck curls and neck extensions. 2 sessions per week. Chin tucks: pull your head straight back while making a double chin shape. Hold for 5 seconds. 20 reps, 3 times per day. This tightens the area directly under your jaw. Tongue presses against the roof of your mouth. Engage the muscles under your chin while you do it. Strengthen the foundation underneath your cheekbones, and the cheekbones themselves will look more prominent. Step 6. Get sharp lighting and practice your angles. This is the photographer's secret nobody tells you. Cheekbones don't just exist, they're revealed by shadow. The shadow that falls just below the cheekbone is what makes them look defined and prominent. Without shadow, even great cheekbones look flat. Soft, diffused lighting from above flattens everything. That's why your face looks worse under harsh ceiling lights or direct overhead sunlight. Lighting from slightly above and to the side creates the perfect shadow underneath your cheekbones. That's why your face looks better in window light or natural side lighting. For photos, turn slightly away from the camera so light hits your face at an angle. Tilt your chin down slightly to create more shadow under the cheekbone. Smile or relax your jaw, never tense it. In daily life, avoid harsh overhead lighting when possible. Window light flatters your face. Outdoor cloudy days flatter your face. Indoor fluorescent does not. Same face. Completely different perception based on lighting and angle. Step 7. Use Vaseline and light to enhance your cheekbones. This is what models do for photo shoots, and anyone can copy it. Apply a tiny dab of Vaseline to the high points of your cheekbones, the most prominent area where they sit highest on your face. Just a tiny amount, almost invisible. The Vaseline creates a subtle, natural sheen that catches the light. That sheen draws the eye directly to your cheekbones, making them look more prominent and sculpted instantly. This works for daily life. It works for photos. It works for video calls. Nobody can tell you're using anything. You're not creating something fake. You're just highlighting what's already there. A small detail, big visual difference. Step 8. The long game. Time and consistency. Here's the part you don't want to hear but need to. Your cheekbones aren't going to appear overnight. The body fat takes time to drop. The muscles take weeks to build. The tongue posture takes months to show effect. But here's the thing. Every single one of these steps compounds. 3 months of doing this consistently and your face will look measurably different. 6 months and the change will be dramatic. A year of doing this and you won't recognize the old version of yourself. Most guys quit at 2 weeks because they don't see instant results. The guys who actually transform their face are the ones who commit to 60 to 90 days minimum and trust the process. Take a photo today. Front view, side angle, put it away. Follow these steps. Come back to that photo in 90 days. The difference is going to surprise you. Reality check. You cannot change your actual bone structure as an adult. But almost no man is operating at his structural potential right now. Body fat, water retention, weak facial muscles, bad posture, and poor habits are hiding the cheekbones that almost every guy has. The methods in this video don't change your bones. They reveal them. For 99% of men, that's exactly what they need. The structure is already there. It just needs to come to the surface. The bottom line: sharp, defined cheekbones aren't a genetic gift only some men get. They're the result of low body fat, low water retention, trained facial muscles, proper tongue posture, strong neck and jaw support, and smart presentation through lighting and angles. Stack all of these together and your cheekbones don't appear out of nowhere. They emerge from where they've always been hiding. The face staring back at you in 90 days isn't going to be a different face. It's going to be the same face finally showing the structure that was always there. Start tonight.